Hey YouTube, it's Cullen here. Thank you for checking out the Ubitronics software tutorials channel. If you are looking to get started on YouTube, already an established content creator, or want to leverage online video in your business, then you've come to the right place. It's no secret that video is the best way to get your message into the world, and there's plenty of examples out there that prove YouTube can become your career or increase your sales within your business. It's never been easier to get started than right now. However, it can feel like an uphill struggle, especially if you're not a technical person. And trying to learn the best software to use and how to use it can be overwhelming. That's why I've created this channel, to help you through all of the noise that exists on the internet, so you can focus on a simple set of software and strategies to plan, manage, research, create, edit, and publish your work. Every software I teach on this channel is free and open source, or has a generous free tier that means you never have to pay unless you choose to. I've helped clients since 2018 to start their YouTube channels and grow their audience. My knowledge of search engine optimization and video editing has played a major part of that success, and coupled with my passion for open source software, it's meant that my clients have been able to consistently create videos and grow their channels with no ongoing software costs. So if you don't have the time to filter through hundreds of different software options, or the desire to outsource all of the work and just want the best free tools and simple tutorials that are guaranteed to work for you and your business, then that's exactly what I share on the Ubitronics community each week. Hit that subscribe button and activate that notification bell right now, and you'll become part of that community, receiving the best tips, tutorials, and software guides to help you get started on YouTube and rank your videos and consistently create high quality video content to grow your audience. After you've subscribed, make sure you leave a comment down below for me. I'm looking forward to chatting with you, and I'll see you in the next video.